Hello, I am Ashikur Rahman. In this video tutorial, we will talk about how to install a Google Tag Manager in your WordPress website, and we will enable a data layer in WordPress so that we can track every kind of data like product price, order value, and every kind of data to set up a perfect ad campaign. This ad campaign can go to Facebook or Google Ads, anything. But in this tutorial we will just discuss about installing Google Tag Manager and enabling data layer. So let's start. At first, we have to go to the dashboard of WordPress. So I am in WordPress dashboard. So let's go to plugin, add new. We have to install a plugin, so it will help us to implement all the things we want. First of all, install Google Tag Manager, and then it will help us to enable data layer. This is very simple and easy. You just have to follow the step. So in the search plugin, let's search GTM. After typing GTM, you can see GTM4 WP. So this is a plugin, you have to install it. Now activate. Yes, now we are done. Now we have to go to Google Tag Manager. This is tagmanager.google.com. So I already have account and container. If you don't have, you can create on. For this, you will go to the home page. Now create account, then another account you can create a container. So let's select a account and create a new container so that I can show you from the very beginning. In this admin section, let's click plus. So it will create a new container. It will open a window where I can create a new container. So in this place, I have to provide my website URL or website name. Basically, you can use your website URL so that you can easily find your website or website tag manager. Now I already have this name, so let's just write this. Now I want to tag web. I don't have any of this iOS, Android, AMP server, so I just want to click web. We can select another, but I just want to click web. Now create. If you don't have any idea what this is, hot container, anything like this, you can find my other video so that you will be clear about it. Now it is giving me a code so that I can paste it in the head section, but I don't want to do this way, so let's click cross. This is the tag manager ID or tracking code or anything you can say. So we just need this. Let's copy this, select and copy. Now go to the WordPress dashboard and find the plugin you just installed, uh, and click settings here, GTM for WP. Now here you can see Google Tag Manager ID. We just copied a Tag Manager ID. Now we have to paste it here. Yes, done. And the rest should be as it is. We don't need anything to change. Just this is you can make at it. Now save changes. We are done. So how can we know that the tag manager is connected with this website? So for this we have to visit our website. Let's visit our website. Oh, I have to tell you that this is a Chrome extension, by which you can check your if your tag manager is running or not. For this, you have to install this Google Tag Assistant. Search Google Tag Assistant extension. So you will find this page, and just like other extension, you just need to add. This is saying remove from Chrome because I already installed this. Now click cross, and we have to enable. Okay, so I just need to refresh this page. So if I scroll, let's see this shows anything. Sorry, I may have uh, okay, cancel recording, disable is currently inactive in this step. Click enable to turn it on. Okay, I have turned this on. Now just refresh. Does this show anything? No. That means there is a problem. Oh, my mistake. Okay, I clicked save settings. So container code on or off. This should be on. And let's click this footer of the page. After clicking save changes, it changed, so it is not working. So we must do this container code on or off. This should be on. If off, then it will not work. And footer of the page, not taken. Okay, this can be anything, but let's do this. Okay, then save. Yes, now let's refresh the page. Yes, our code is working fine. Google Tag Manager, this is the tracking ID, and it is working perfectly. Here you can see the code D4L, and here D4L. That means our Tag Manager is connected with our website. Now we have to um, enable data layer. For this, just check first that does this somehow providing any data or not. So just I am going to here again. You have to log into your tag manager and go to your container, then click preview. So you will know details about your tag manager or container. Now here you can paste your website URL, then connect. Okay, so our debugging website is opened. Now let's scroll. Okay, this is a demo WordPress WooCommerce website. So let's click this product. Now here you can see when I open this DNK yellow shoes, this page opened, but there is nothing. There is just very little data, but we can get many kind of data, like uh, this is the price, then this product has anything category, and product ID, or when I click add to cart, it will open another page, but there is not any kind of add to cart section, or we cannot see anything. If we go to view cart, there is nothing. So for this, we first have to enable data layer. Now for this, go to your WordPress and Google Tag Manager settings, and go to integration. Now click WooCommerce for WordPress WooCommerce site. Then we have to select this track enhanced e-commerce. If we click this and save this, then our data layer is enabled perfectly. Now, how can we know that that our data layer is enabled? For this, we have to again click preview. For this, let's close this. Okay, let's close this also. Okay, now again click preview and paste your website URL, then connect. Okay, let's scroll and browse. Now click this product. Okay, so let's visit previous website. Now you can see view item. Whenever we opened this product page, uh, it shows a the section view item, and if we go to data layer, it is showing huge data use. That means this is the product item, this product price is on 50, this product is on 50, and also id, product id, product name. Also there is another details, the currency, and you can see that the below related product details is also here. This is the related product details. So you can see now our data layer is enabled. If we click add to cart, then it should show add to cart option, but I think yes, view cart option is showing. So in this view card, this is showing the product price we which we select add to cart for ordering or for order. Now we can see another things. If we, this is a demo website, so let's just order this to for test purpose. Now all the details here, just click place order. Now let's see what happened. Yes, it opened a purchase page where our purchase value is here 270, and this also opened the other details, product id, or sorry, product id is here, first product is here and second product is here. So this is how it is working. We enable data layer. Now we have to use this data layer so to track our required data. We will talk about this in our next videos. Till then, thank you. To know more, to learn more video like this, please subscribe. Thanks.